FBA or Fulfilled by Amazon is a very important term of Amazon. As the name implies, FBA is launched by Amazon. In this video, we will see how FBA will benefit the seller and how as a new seller you can take benefits of FBA. Basically, Amazon orders are fulfilled using two ways. One is MFN or Merchant Fulfillment Network, or two is FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon. In MFN, sellers fulfill customers' orders from their warehouse. In FBA, sellers fulfill customer orders from Amazon's warehouse. So when it comes to FBA, let's take a look at the reason why to use this method and its benefits. FBA will prove beneficial for those sellers who don't have the space for their inventory, who don't want to keep extra manpower, or the sellers who don't want to have the hassle of packaging. FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, is not only for the sellers who don't have the space or who don't want to have the hassle because of packaging. It is open for all sellers who are available on Amazon. Also, this has many benefits which can be beneficial for sellers. Let's see what these benefits are. The first benefit is, as I have mentioned before, FBA is more beneficial for those sellers who don't have the space for their inventory. They can send their products to the FBA warehouses and they can focus more on their business. Also, they can save packaging and handling charges and also save time because it will be done by the Amazon warehouse employees. The second benefit is, when buyers purchase your item, then it will be Amazon's responsibility to fulfill the order. Means, after getting the order, packing and shipping will be taken care of by the Amazon FBA team. Also, in case of returns, carefully taking back the product to the warehouse will also be done by Amazon employees. The third benefit is, when you use FBA, your product visibility will be increased. Because when you search for any product on Amazon, the first product which you will get in the results will be the FBA user's product. This is a clear indication of FBA benefits. Also, when a seller enrolls in FBA, his products will get accepted after many verifications. And because of this, buyers will trust your product more. Maybe now you're thinking, if I enroll in FBA, I might need to invest something. Let's see the charges. When you register in FBA, you need to fill an APOB, Additional Place of Business form, which you need to update in GST also. So when you fill the form, you might need assistance to submit this form to Amazon. For that, you can take the help of Amazon approved CA. They will charge you 821 rupees including GST, and the charges may vary according to state to state. If you are using warehouse in the same state, you will use APOB, but if you are using intercity warehouse, it means you will need VPOB, Virtual Place of Business. If you need assistance with this, you can consult Amazon approved CAs. To keep inventory in FBA warehouse, maybe there will be some charges, and this is a very common question from everyone. Let's take a look at the charges. Let's see Amazon FBA monthly storage fees. So to keep your inventory in Amazon storage, sellers need to pay a basic charge to Amazon. And this will be based out of the calendar month and the seller's average volume sales. You can sell your products by keeping it in Amazon warehouses, but sometimes sellers face some issues like they don't get orders on some products for a long time. So does this mean that products are going to be in the warehouse itself? No. Sellers need to remove his product within 150 days. If the seller keeps his product for more than 150 days, then long-term storage fees will get charged. This is when sellers feel that FBA charges is more. When a customer returns a product, what happens with that? We got this question many times. Let's discuss on this. If the product is in good condition, then that product will be kept in your inventory. If the product is damaged or dead, then it will be collected in the unfulfillable inventory. So when you get bulk quantities of unfulfillable inventory, Amazon will suggest you to order your inventory back and it will charge you 10 rupees per unit. Or if the return product is unusable for the seller, then Amazon will take care of the disposal of the product and they will charge you the same amount, which is 10 rupees per unit. There are instances when Amazon will charge you more. This is when you send your products to the FBA senders during the lightning deal period. Some sellers had the query that does Amazon have pickup and drop services? To answer that question, yes they do. After the packaging of the product and stickering, you can use the Amazon pickup and drop services where the Amazon executors will come pick the product according to your convenient time frame. So guys, I hope that you now know the benefits of FBA and the services that it provides. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe and hit that notification. Thank you and see you next time.